Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I'm very happy, I'm very excited to show you something that I believe it will boost your sales, okay? So we're going to use two features today, dynamic videos and also combined videos. So we're basically using dynamic videos to create a dynamic background intro that will change, of course, according to each of your prospects' websites, and we're going to connect that with another video, which we can call core idea, where you'll basically be making your sales pitch, okay? So please join me in the following minutes and I will show you how this works. Okay, so let us start with the tutorial. So like I was saying before, we have two steps, or there are two steps involved to make this possible. And the first one will be actually to create our core video, our core idea, where we basically, this is the place where we just show or we make our sales page, okay? So I'm going to, just to make this example, this tutorial a little bit more real, I'm going to do the recording right now so you can see what I'm doing, okay? So of course I'll just make it in a simple way. So I'm going to record myself. Hey there, it's Dan here from SensePark, and just like I was saying before, this is the place where you can see all of our services, all the skills and all the tools that we have that we provide in order to make your company grow. So we do have this one that is, I believe, perfect for your company. So this will actually let you scale in a very efficient way, because we do have dynamic variables, we have detailed analytics and everything your company needs. Okay, so of course you can just go on and on with everything that you want to say right there, but just for the sake of the example, I'll just leave it as it is and I'll put here core video. Okay, so I'll just save it with this name. My video has done processing, so I'm able to close this now. Okay, so the next step, or the second step, and let me put this here so you can see me. So the next step will be actually to create another video, which is the cover video for the dynamic backgrounds that we'll use later on the dynamic videos feature. Okay, so for that, we actually suggest to use the face recording. Okay, so let me just make a very quick recording. So remember that this video is the one that will appear on top of each of your prospects' websites. Okay, so you would, of course, I suggest to of course practice and understand everything that you're going to say, because that will be the first video that your prospect will be seeing. Okay, so I'll just again make it a simple recording so you can understand and we can keep on with the tutorial here. Okay, this is Dan here from SensePark, and I was just browsing your website, and I believe that what you're offering here is amazing. I've checked every single contact that you have here, and I've also checked your network, and I believe that my services could be great for everything that you are offering right here. Okay, and then of course, just like I was saying before, you can just go on and explain everything that you need to explain. But again, I'm just making it very simple here. So I'll put here dynamic intro, okay, and save it. Save the name, but I'm not going to close this modal. So this is the important part. So what I'll do here is click on add video, and then I'm going to combine it with a core video here. Okay, so I'll put add video. Your core video was added, so, and it's done processing, so we're actually now good to continue. And let me actually close this now and head back here. Okay, so now we can go to dynamic videos. We can create a dynamic video campaign and put test campaign. Okay, start creating. Okay, so let me just fill this out very quickly so we can have something similar to what a real campaign would look like. But anyway, if you do not know how to do this, or you want some suggestions, you can, of course, I'll leave another link below so you can see how to create a campaign from zero, from scratch. Okay, so the important thing right now is that we need to go to browse here, and I need to enter the dynamic intro. Okay, okay, and I'll also import the CSV file. So I have one right here. Okay, so because everything is ready, I can now click on generate videos. Okay, and this might take some time, so what I'll do here is pause the video in the meantime, and I'll get back to you once this is done. Okay, and we're back now and we're ready to continue. As you can see, every single video has been processed correctly, and if we actually make a single click on each of them, you'll notice how the custom intro stays the same, but then the background of course changes. Okay, so this is exactly what we were expecting. So let me show you on live how it works. So you can see how the intro is right there. It is just my head talking, and then it will actually show you on the timeline how this there's a split, because of course this is when the core idea, the core video, the sales page starts, and this will actually, if you're understanding what I'm explaining here, this will actually save you a lot of time, because you just made one single video for every single prospect's website that you have there on the list, and you have also made one other single video with your sales page. Okay, one that is, I believe, perfect for your company. So this will actually let you scale. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that you understand my point here, but I wanted to show you how it was working here and with every single website on the background. Okay, so hopefully this was very helpful, very enlightening. Or, but still, if you do have any questions, I'm Dan from tech support. Please do reach out, because we want you to, of course, succeed on your sales, you and your sales team, of course. But please do let us know if you have any questions or any doubts. Okay, so please have a great day. Bye bye.